All right, you guys ready to do your unboxing of Skylander?
Yeah!
Okay, this is Skylanders, the Dark Edition starter pack. Okay, that looks really cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And we got here your old Skylanders, huh?
Right here.
All right, okay. Let's start with the unboxing. Let's look at the box first. That's a cool looking box, huh?
So cool. You might see the back of it.
I know, let's look at the back. There's the sides.
You can see the front.
Whoa, that's very cool. Okay.
That bad guy.
Let's get ready to do this unboxing. Okay, let's lay it down.
Together?
Yep, let's open it together. Okay. So let's see right here.
So exciting.
Hold on to the box, please. Whoa, that's one. Okay.
That's my.
Go right here.
That's Caden. Stop.
Hold on to the box. There you go.
Perfect.
All right. Let's see.
Go open it.
Let's see. How do you open this thing?
Oh, I can do it.
Whoa. Okay. There we go. Oh, let's slide. Oh, I think it slides out. It slides out. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, whoa, hello. Okay, wait a minute, Let's see what we got here.
We have this and here, the Skylanders. We have another one like that too.
We have another one? Okay, look what we have here. What's that? That's the actual game. Okay, hold on, Caden. Hold on, Caden.
There's a DVD in it.
Oh, there's a DVD. That's the game. Okay, what you got there, Caden?
And we have
Whoa.
the characters and stuff and the vehicles.
Okay, we gotta open this up now. Let's see here.
Let's go open it.
Can we, whoa,
How do you open it?
I don't know. Oh, we gotta lift this up right here.
Here's
Come on.
nails.
There we go. Okay.
Thank you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you slide it out? Can you slide that out now? Slide it out? No?
I can slide. No, I can.
All right.
Oh, no, not yet.
Okay, let's see. All right, let's take them out, guys. Take them out. Whoa, whoa, hello. Calm down. Wow, look at that vehicle.
No, I'll open the last one.
Okay, guys, calm down. Oh, look, Caden.
Don't open it too fast, then I won't be able to open the rest.
It's okay, guys. It's okay. Wow, look at them, guys. Wow, this vehicle looks just like the old one that we have. Look. They're the same.
This girl looks like the same girl as this
Yeah,
one.
it is the same one,
This
except
guy
she's got the
with
dark
this
edition.
guy.
Yep.
They're
All
all
right.
the same guys, but they have different colors. Can I see them?
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we gotta play this. You guys almost ready to play?
Yeah!
All right.
We have another Skylander. I want this one.
I
I want
know.
her.
I know, that's cool, huh? Okay, guys, everybody say bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye!